Cool. Looks like they actually have, it's actually connected to one of the larger buildings, but get a little glimpse of how people lived. Simple bed, fireplace, basin, books, bird. Chest. I'll have to go on the other side and see what that building is, so we'll do that. Yeah, I was right about that being a print shop next to the sheriff. So what's over here then? That must have been their room when they, turned in for the night. Oh, it's the school. Twin Bridges School. It must have been where, so that was the door that goes into her room. That must have been where she slept. That's cool. Hey, what a cool place. I just love the sound of walking on old wood. Badass. You just don't see stuff like this anymore. Let's go look for it. It's a print shop. A lot of outhouses I noticed, but then I guess there's a lot of people here. But I can't get my head around sharing the crapper with somebody. Is this a shed or is this a? I don't want to break it. Unless it. Yep. Two-seater shitter. Two-story building. Pretty sure I went into this one already. Or have I? No, I haven't. But you can just walk right through. Old bottles. Oh, prospectors. That must be what that is. Oh, rocks. Scale. That's neat. Wow, old postage. That's neat. Looks to be an old. Probably where they got all their firewood. Neat. And here's the old blacksmith shop. Got the forge right over here. All their tools. That's really cool. Horseshoes and other things. Looks like door handles. All their hammers. Stairs going up. It's probably where they slept. That's really cool. So here's the Sun River Jail. Huh, that's why there's no bars. Old lantern, fireplace. Just 4 cots and some boarded up, barred up windows. Of course, they probably didn't have the kind of crimes we Normally I would think of drunk, disorderly, whatever. Hell, sleep in a jail tonight. Huh. Big bar to latch the door. There's the saddler. Huh. Really neat.